Hi there. My name is Robert Miller. I go through Quora pretty much every day about questions, people wondering about the tools, free tools, paid tools, and so forth. This is a little video about you asked what is the best tool for Amazon to search the resources and find products. Well, one that's popular is Jungle Scout. They do have pricing, and it does cost money, as you can see here. $39 a month for this one, so forth and so forth. Now, one thing that I have found to be quite interesting and seems to be quite popular is this Helium 10 that people are on the rave about. Helium 10, again, is another paid service. So I recommend you checking out those two. And I have been looking into some of the Amazon tools. Like I got Alibaba in here for selling products, but there's another one here, Viral Launch. It's of Amazon seller tools. You can actually check them out. Obviously, it's another paid service. I believe the Helium and Jungle Scout does have some free trial. You'd have to look into it a little bit longer. I myself do not sell on Amazon. I do not get involved with e-commerce for my own business model. But I hope to find this short little video quite valuable for your own benefit. And if you have any questions or anything about starting an online business or even starting a business, whether it be online or brick and mortar, feel free to reach out to me, okay? My name is Robert Miller with Miller Education Ventures.